Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Instagram account that is longer than 3 minutes. Press the plus button. Don't go to Reels, go to Post. Now find that video that is longer than 3 minutes. 3 minutes 38 seconds. So received this email yesterday. Click next. Received this email yesterday. So now some new benefits. It's there. It says trim. We don't want to trim it. We want the whole lot to go up. Let's have a little look. Add images. Next. And then just fill in your information. Add your hashtags. So once you've done that, click OK. You can edit your cover if you want to. So I'm probably going to edit that to show the actual image. So once you're happy, click done. So now it's all ready for me to upload. So here I go, press share. Up there, let's get to the top. So now it's uploading. As you can see, it does ask you to keep Instagram open while it uploads. Just to recap why this is loading, you press the plus button, you go to post, not Reels, you upload your video, which is longer than 3 minutes, because we want longer videos on Instagram if you want. Otherwise, if it's not going to work for you, I suggest you put them onto YouTube, and I have loads of videos about that on my YouTube channel where you're watching this at the moment. So just go ahead, click on my picture, go to my channel and hit subscribe, and there is a whole playlist on how to upload videos to YouTube. Anyway, wait for it to upload. And you have to be patient. You have to keep Instagram open and you have to let it upload into the system. And then once it's done that, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there it is. So when I go back to my profile page, you can see that it's automatically been made into a reel. However, when we click on it, you can see that it is over the 3 minute mark. There we go. We are 3 minutes 33 seconds, actually a bit longer than that. That's how you upload a longer video to your Instagram account. I hope that's really helped. I know some of you have been trying to do this and you've watched my other video and you haven't managed to do it, so I'm hoping that this has solved your problem. You will see it as a post, but you will also see it in your Reels. But it is longer than 3 minutes, and it is possible. So remember, plus key, post, find the video, and it will automatically take it in and upload it for you. My name's Anita Wong. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Share this video with those who you think might benefit from it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.